Ano ang tawag sa wika o lengguwahe ng mga engkantado? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise or show your answers now. Una sa lahat, Happy Mother's Day sa ating mga ina, sa ating mga ada, ating mga ina, sa mga inang reyna ng ating buhay, Happy Mother's Day. And of course, happy anniversary sa ating mga Encantadix, sa mga Encantadia fans, because we're celebrating the 19th year anniversary of Encantadia, the number one Telefantasia in our hearts. Anything to say, DJ and TL? Batiin nyo naman ang ating mga kasama dito sa Zoom, and of course, yung mga nanonood na sa Facebook Live.
Ayun. Abisala mga Encantadix, thank you for joining. I hope mag-enjoy tayong lahat today and we learn something new as we prepare sa pagdating ng mga sangre.
Thank you, Dij. How about you, TL?
Hello.
The rose amongst the thorns of Encantadia Saga.
Wow.
Malay mo magkaroon ka na ngayon ng kasamang lady or woman sa group, no? Are you praying sa babae? Yung yung maka-rise to the top of this quiz bee.
So, good evening sa lahat. Happy Mother's Day sa ating mga ina. And, ayan, nabisala, sana galingan natin yung for the quiz bee. Na-excite na din ako sa mga questions.
Yeah, at isa ka sa mga magtatanong. Dahil isa ka sa mga host.
Oo.
We would like to invite some of you, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, to continue what we've left in the first part of this month-long celebration of Encantadia. No? We were asking fans last Sunday na mag-share sila ng kanilang Encantadia story or anecdotes of how they know of Encantadia, or meron ba sa inyo na nagpunta ng Encantadia event, naglupasay katulad ni Andy Crocker na naikwento niya nung nakaraan? May mga ganun ba? Little anecdotes that you wanna share. I think I'd like to hear from I think the first person to be here, if I'm not mistaken, that's Aji. Abisala Aji.
Abisala po. Ano ba? Mag-first year college ako that time. Ay, hindi. Graduating ng high school po nung ang masishare ko yung siguro po first year college ako na, tapos na late po kami sa theater arts student po ako sa PUP, tapos sobrang fan po talaga ako ng Enka that time. Yun, tapos po kami, parang na-late po kami one time mga Beckies. Tapos directing, intro to theater arts po yung class that time. So parang binigyan kami ng punishment, pero ang punishment lang naman po ay gagawa kami ng skit. Pero dapat wala nang usap-usap, pasok-pasok na lang. Parang improvisation po, gano'n. Wala, automatic, Encantadia po yung ginawa namin. Po kami, fight scene po kami.
Okay.
Automatic na. Yun lang po.
So, sino ka sa mga sangre?
Alena, syempre.
Bakit syempre? Why are you, bakit ka nakaka-relate kay Sangre Alena?
Love ko po talaga si Karil kasi po theater person din po siya.
Ay.
Yan po.
Thank you, Aji, for your Encantadia anecdote.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Good luck for today. Let's hear from a familiar name that I see in Encantadia groups. Rob. Hello, Rob. Abisala Rob Evangelista. I know that you are how do you define it? Certified Encantadic. Let's put it that way. Okay, Rob.
Ganda. And,
Yes.
and happy anniversary to us. Okay. So, I actually don't have any anecdotes kasi syempre nung bata. Pero I would just say that Encantadia is somewhat a gay awakening for me. Yeah. So, ayun. So, I didn't know back then. Well, of course, it's fairies, diwata, and whatnot. And like the first person, I'm actually an Alena fan. So, there. So, but yeah, medyo patawag nito, medyo naglaylo after nung Encantadia 2005. Um, tapos nung nag-announce na meron 2016 and 2016 doon ako naging active. So,
Nice. Mabuhay ang mga nagmamahal kay Sangre Alena. Katulad din si Aji, no? May I invite Jay Kudal to share his Encantadia story, Encantadia anecdote. Napanood mo ba, Jay, yung Sunday Live last weekend?
Hello Encantadix, Avisala. So sa lahat na nanonood ng Facebook Live. Hello admin. Last Sunday hindi. So sobrang busy ko kasi sorry sa work this past few weeks and ngayon na lang ulit nakasali. So last time nasali ko ata sa X pa, sa Twitter na podcast. So yung first ever podcast if I remember. Pero ngayon na lang ulit. So excited.
I think I know your Twitter username. I know you.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung
Mukha nga.
Ikaw yung pinakaunang nakausap ko sa Twitter Spaces. Jay, I remember you. Meron kang kinukwento mo yung tungkol sa kay Bianca yung baka you're concerned about Bianca umalis inclusion sa Sangre. Gayong isang character sa Mulawin versus Bena na Lawis-wis, no? These two shows are connected. These are crossover shows and yun yung naging concern mo, no?
Yes. So, yun.
Concern mo pa rin ba yun hanggang ngayon?
Medyo, pero nagpe-paid na siya. So, we're going to check kung anong mangyayari and support, syempre. From the start, kasi since 2005, support na. So, ayun. So, wala naman nung 2005, siguro, ilang taon ako noon, hindi ko na matandaan. Pero, that's one of the reason why natuto ako magsulat ng stories and isa siya sa mga talagang nagkumurot sa utak ko to be a novel writer, especially mga fan fiction. So, napakalaking help niya. And one of the stories na talagang ginawa ko tapos share ko dun sa mga naging estudyante ko is yan nga, yung Encantadia, especially yung mga hindi nakakaalam since yung mga student ko kasi is foreign students. So, medyo cliche sa kanila kasi hindi naman normal sa ibang lahi yung kung paano tayo gumawa ng story tapos ganito pa kaganda na natutuwa sila. Ayun, so malaking factor sa Encantadia. So thank you sa Encantadia kung ano yung ko ngayon when it comes to writing.
Thank you, Jay. I can relate because I'm a writer myself. Is there anyone who wants to do the ash na lash na masha chant of Alena for 5 points? Rob, ikaw na yan, Rob. Tsaka si Aji.
I may be an Alena fan, but I don't have that voice to do the hashtag.
Okay.
Only Kevin. and Karil OD.
Okay. The mechanics. So let's I'm just going to reiterate what I said kanina, no? So the winner is going to have a chance to become part of the Encantadia Saga team. So you know us. You know Encantadia Saga. We are an intimate group of fans na nag-update sa mga Encantadia fans, mga Encantadics, ng Encantadia news, mga trivias. We curate Encantadia fan arts, fan fiction. We create fan theories, even fan arts, and fan promo cards for the series. Simple lang ang mechanics, no? We ask a question, and then you raise your answers in the allotted time. Wala po kaming na-prepare na timer, so I'm just going to say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we are going to record your scores. Then after, how many questions do you want? Syempre kami pumili nun. Wala kayong masasabi doon. 19 questions only. For 19 years of Encantadia. There are 4 different types of level. Easy, average, and easy, average, difficult, and special. Yung special parang ano lang yon, difficult pero kakaiba lang siya. Okay, so easy is worth 2 points, average is worth 3 points, difficult is worth 5 points, and the special questions are worth 6 points. You can gain as high as 71 points. Let's start with question number 1, easy for 2 points. Ano ang tawag sa wika o lengguwahe ng mga Encantado? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise or show your answers now. Shai's answer is Enshan. Ram Enshan, Mickey Enchanta, Joe is Enshan, Aji is Encan, Jay's answer is Enshan, Rob's answer is Enshan, Nell's answer is Enchant. Okay. The correct answer is Enchan or Enchanta. Okay? For this first round, sige. That's just a trial. Everyone gets 2 points for that. Even if may nagsagot ng Encan or Enchant. No? Okay, everyone gets 2 points. DJ, please record that. Okay. Shai, where are you from? Pakilala ka naman siya ng slide.
From Cebu po.
Abisala, Shai.
Abisala, from Cebu.
Where are you from, Shai? From
Cebu
Cebu.
City.
Hi. Cebu City. Kumusta po mga taga Cebu City? Ayan. Question number 2. I'm gonna pass it to TL.
Hello, good evening. For the question number 2, average siya. So, we have 3 points for this one. So, ito, ano ang winiwika sa isang mahiwagang puno o lagusan kung nais mong mapunta sa Encantadia or sa mundo ng mga tao? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
TL, I think everyone.
Yes, everyone. Everyone got it correct. So, for the next question, si DJ na ang magtatanong.
Go, Dij.
Ayan. So, for this one, this is difficult. So, 5 points ang worth nito. So, here goes. Ano ang ngalan ng espada ni Amihan? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think ang may sagot is Ram, Arkri, and for Rob, also Arkri. Anong sagot niyo? Sandat. Okay.
Sagot ni Nel ay sandata. Oh, anong
Tama naman.
gagawin mo dyan? Anong gagawin? Okay. But Nel, we're asking for the specific name of the sandata of Amihan. Okay. The correct answer is Arkray, no? Have you recorded the scores, Deej?
Yes, so I think ang nakakuha ng score is Ram and Rob.
0.
Okay.
Difficult pala yun.
Yeah. Actually, madali nga tong lahat ng mga to eh. 4. Ito, napakadali nito pero napunta siya sa special. Are you ready, guys? This is worth 6 points. A special question. Okay, the question is for 6 points. Ano ang pangalan ng tungkod ni Nunong Imaw? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your answers.
Oh.
Okay, stay right there. Ang naka-raise, Nikki, raise your answer. Wala? Okay, that's question mark. Rob, put it closer. I cannot read it. 6 points for Shaira, for Aji, for Jay, for Nell. Rob, I cannot read it, Rob. What did you write, Rob? Nothing? Okay. Wala siyang naisulat, so did you get it, Deej?
Yes. So just to make sure tama ito. For Shaira, for Aji,
Raise your answers again.
Ronel, and Jay, tama ba?
Yes.
Everybody. Okay.
Pati si Nell, pati si Nell.
For Nel as well.
Guys, OMG! The name of Imaw's tungkod is very common, Kaya yan. Let's move on
Actually,
to
for
Nell.
ano lang, wala lang, ano ko lang. Yung balintataw kasi is a word din na kung i-search nyo siya, yung meaning ng word na yun is parang larawan siya na nakikita ng ating isipan actually. So technically yung balintataw is yung word na Tagalog word na yun is yun talaga yung nagpo-foresee nung tungkod ni Imaw. So wala lang, for me kasi it's really a good perception ng names, 'di ba?
Yes,
Wala lang,
yes.
share ko lang.
Actually, balintataw in English, if I'm not mistaken, is iris or pupil. I don't know. Ito yung ano. Actually, balintataw is a general term for the capability to
see,
look beyond, the clairvoyance. Si Cassiopeia may balintataw sa kanyang noo. Ang mga bathala may balintataw. But si Imaw, ang kanyang tungkod ay specifically named balintataw because of that power. Okay, let's proceed to question number 5. Go TL.
Sa Encantadia 2016, saang tribo napapabilang si Azulan? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Yan. Pataas na lang po. So, for Joe, Ram, pataas lang ng ano yun.
Okay, let's Deej. Here are the perfect answers or correct answers. Mickey, Aji, Rob, Jay, and Nell. Did you get that? For worth 2 points.
Okay, 2 points for 2 points pala. Sorry. 2 points for was that Jay,
Raise it
Rob,
again, guys.
J. Rob, Mickey, and Nell.
Yes.
Okay, so question number 6. Another difficult, average pala ito. Average, so worth 3 points. Ang question is, sa Encantadia 2005, ginampanan ni Alfred Vargas ang karakter ni Akil at sinong isa pang karakter? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Okay, so ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot ay sina Mickey, Ram, Aji, Jay, Rob, and Nel.
Okay. Si Tolitz daw ang nasulat ni Jay. Di ba si Tolitz ay si Batang Akil?
Batang Akil.
Batang Akil si Tolitz. Si Alfred Vargas, siya yung Amaro. Yeah. Okay, so hi Ram. Kwento ka naman dyan, Ram, ng kaunting kwento mo. Taga saan ka, Ram?
Hello po. Fan po since 2005.
Yes. Okay.
OG. Parang mga bata pa lang po ako noon 11 and then parang ang nakakatawang anecdote is pinapanood ko siya every night and then on the last night hindi ko siya napanood kasi nakatulog ako ng maaga.
Yung
and
finale?
then napanood ko lang. Yes po. And then yung napanood ko lang siya parang after 5 years nung ni-replay na siya sa Fox Filipino. So doon ko pa lang siya kasi hindi pa po siya ina-upload noon sa YouTube. Hindi pa ina-upload yung full episode sa YouTube noon. So parang doon ko pa lang siya napanood ng buo.
Yeah. So natatandaan mo ba yung reaction mo nung nakita mong dumabas si Precious Lara Kigaman as Cassandra?
Hindi po yun yung ending. Yung ending po ng book 1.
Ending ng book 1. Okay.
Yes, so yung nung nag-reunite yung yung apat na gems.
Yes. Tapos may pasakali na sa Etheria, no? Kasi magbubuo.
Yes po. Kaya parang hinahabol ko na lang siya dun sa yung parang ang nakaraan for the following week.
Oo nga, buti na lang. Pero ang tagal nung 5 years, parang naghintay ka ng ilang seasons of Encantadia.
Ilang seasons, tapos buti ni-replay po. Tapos yun, dun ko pa lang siya napanood ng buo.
Yes. Thank you, Ram, for that
Thank you.
Fun anecdote. This is question number 7. We considered this as difficult. Sana special pala to, no? This is worth 5 points. Sa Encantadia 2005, ano ang password sa Batis ng Katotohanan? Sa Encantadia 2005, ano ang password sa Batis ng Katotohanan? Raise your answers if you have one, if you're confident with your answers. Do not raise your notepad na lang if you don't have an answer, no? Raise your answers now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sabi ni Ram ay Avoya Avoya. Sabi ni Rob ay Avoya Avoya. At ni Nel, Avoya Avoya. Ram, Rob, and Nel got the correct answers. Si Mickey tawa ng tawa.
May password pala doon?
Meron siyang password. Yes.
Or before ka magtanong.
May bayad. Sabi ni Jules, hello Jules, ayan na si Jules, nakarating na. I think Jules answered ginto. Jules, bakit ginto ang pumasok sa isip mo? Did you get
Ayan daw kasi.
Did you got the points?
Yes, I got the points for, it's Ram, Nell and Rob.
Yes, thank you, Deej. Jules, bakit ginto ang naisip mo dyan?
Good evening. I forgot it was actually in the in the old one kasi yung na ano ko mali pala si Cassiopeia pala yon. Kasi may baptist siya, 'di ba? Yung tubig doon. Okay, tapos lalagyan niya ng ginto tapos lumalabas na yung mga gustong malaman ng mga engkantado.
Yeah,
Yun lang po. So,
I think kung tama pagkakaalala ko, nag-iipon ng ginto si Cassiopeia noon. Tapos eventually ginamit niya yun para maging sandata ni Lyra. So ayun siya.
Correct. Yes. At yung ginagamit niyang tubig dun sa cauldron niya comes from the batis ng katotohanan. Thank you, Jules, for that answer na kapag it lights the room. No? Natawa lang ako kasi password ginto. Ayan. So,
Antayo ng SB19.
Yeah, ginto. So, ayan, go TL.
For ito easy lang to ha. Kapag kayo hindi niya to nasagot. Ano ang enchant or enchanta ng happy birthday? Maligayang kaalawan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grabe, easy lang yun na. Oh. Hasne lesno maste, hasne ivolive, hasne ivolive, avisala maiste. Rob, hasne ivolive. So, yung naka-correct answer would be, J pa, taas lang ulit. Ano yung sagot mo? Si Ram, si Rob, si Jules. I think yun lang. Ang happy birthday is Hasne Ivolive. Ivolive is mabuhay. Ano pa ba? Avisala maiste is goodbye. Paalam. Tama ba, Greg?
Yes.
Tapos, yung sagot ni Aji, less no maste, parang ano ba yun?
It's about kapayapaan. Nawain ito ng kapayapaan sa Encantadia. Hasne Ivolive is happy birthday, but it also works as mabuhay. Mabuhay din siya. It also works as mabuhay. Basta it's for happiness. Sa 2016 na yan, nabago yan. But in 2005, there's a difference. So, we are accepting the change of those words. Okay, so I wanna hear muna a little bit of story from Joe Navarra. I remember Joe Navarra. I think we featured him sa Encantadia Saga sa blog because I think it's best to ikukwento to ni Joe. Go Joe, Abisala Joe.
Yeah, Abisala po. Narinig po ako?
Yes, very clear.
Ayun po. Last time po na i-feature ako dito sa page ng Encantadia Saga sa artwork ko po na Encantadia. Ganyan po sila, yung apat na magkakapatid. So, ang drawing ko, tapos na-picture siya dito. So, yun, nakakatawa kasi na-appreciate nila ng page na to, yung artwork ko. So, yun. Since fan kami ng mga kapatid ko since 2005. So, mga bata pa 6 years old yata ako yun. From Mulawin kasi, di ba? Tapos naging Encantadia. So, yun, nagtuloy-tuloy na Telepantasya ng GMA. So yun, hanggang ngayon, nagiging addict pa rin kami sa Encantadia. Tapos parang doon nabubuhay yung creativity namin, magkakapatid. Kasi gusto namin gumawa ng costume, ganyan, nagbe-video kami, editing. Yan. So, doon din ako na-curious sa pag-edit ng mga videos, mga powers, ganyan. Yun.
Thank you, Joe. Yung naipakitang drawing ni Joe nung pinost niya yun sa Facebook, doodles lang ni Amihan. Doodles as in ballpen lang na drawing lang na nakalagay sa notebook niya. Tapos that was 2000 basta before 2010 ata yun. Tapos yung na niyang drawing is a so much better version of Amihan, Perena, Danaya, Alena. Na colored na. And Joe, you are now a graphic artist, no?
Yes po. Yes.
Graphic artist. Yeah. And yung ang iyong YouTube channel, pwede mong i-promote. Ano ba yung YouTube channel mo nga ulit?
Joe Artworks po. Yun,
Joe
may
Art.
timelapse din po ako din ng ng Encantadia ko paano siya in-sketch.
Yeah.
Ayun po.
Time lapse. Thank you, Joe. Go, Dij.
Okay, so question number 9. This average, so worth 3 points. Sinong karakter sa Encantadia ang lumikha sa sandatang nagngangalang Dehar na ang ibig sabihin ay isinumpa? So let me repeat the question. Sinong karakter sa Encantadia ang lumikha sa sandatang nagngangalang Dehar na ang ibig sabihin ay isinumpa? Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, let's see. So, ang tamang sagot ay Halia or ba't halumang Halia. Ayan, so ang mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot ay sila Ram, Jules,
Nell,
and then Nell, Rob, Jay. Tama.
Question number 10. This is a special question. Hindi yata ito pang Encantadia. Nirelate lang talaga namin sa Encantadia. This is the question. Danaya traveled 3 miles from Lereo going west to a forest. She then traveled 4 miles going north to a nest of Argonas. What is the distance between Lereo and the nest of Argonas? Let me repeat. This is actually a math question. Typically, yung mga ganitong question na nakalagay na to sa mga textbooks. Minsan nilalagay nila in-incorporate nila yung Encantadia. No? Kasi pop culture ang Encantadia. So, for relatability of the students. Again, Danaya traveled 3 miles from Lereo going west to a forest. She then traveled 4 miles going north to a nest of Argonas dragons. What is the distance between Lereo and the nest of the Argonas? You have like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please raise your boards, your answers. The correct answer is 5.
Sayang si Mickey. Square root dapat ng 25.
5 is the correct answer. This is Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse equals the square root of the sum of the square of two sides of the triangle. Sino sumagot ng 25?
Si Mickey. Hindi niya na square root. C squared yung yung 25 eh. Kaya yung value dapat ng C.
Si Nel ata, nakataas pa rin. Nel, tama ba yung sagot mo? 5?
7? Parang 7 nakikita ko.
Okay, 7, okay. Okay, no one got that question.
Ewan ko sa'yo. James.
Anong mahirap?
Hindi kaya. Madali lang kaya. It's basic. Siyempre, if we want,
as a teacher siya dyan.
a part of the team, siyempre parang all around knowledgeable, no? Hindi lang dapat Encantadia ang alam mo, parang gano'n. Okay. Anyway, so before we go to TL, no, let's hear from Mickey. Have we invited you to speak, to share where you are right now? Ilang taon ka nung napanood mo yung Encantadia? What's your Encantadia anecdote that you can share with us?
Hello po sa mga kasama natin sa Zoom at sa Facebook Live. Mikey po from Pasig. Actually, ang masasabi ko lang sa akin ay casual viewer lang naman talaga ako, no? But from being a casual viewer, syempre after manood ng isang series, lahat ng Wikipedia entries binasa, lahat ng nasa Pinoy Exchange binasa. So parang yun lang naman yung anecdote ko. And also, I was able to watch the 2005 version. I think, first year high school at the time. And then, this 2016, I'm already working. So, ang isang good anecdote ko is that I try to eat that I get home before 8 p.m. para sabay kaming manonood ng tatay ko. Kasi sinusundan namin yung kwento ng father ko. So yun lang, casual viewer, but I just had so much fun watching and reading na hindi nga ito alam ng asawa ko. Nasasali ako ngayon. Ay, hindi, alam niya kagabi. Pero tawa siya ng tawa kanina like, who are you? Who are you? So, hindi niya ako kilala because I had this background nung bata-bata pa ako.
Yes, siguro nanonood ngayon si wife.
Actually, nandito siya ngayon. Binibidyohan niya ako. Yan, my wife.
Abisala wife, wifey.
Ikorid you.
Wow! Ikorid Dio. That's a nice way to end that anecdote from you, Mickey, with that Ikorid Dio para sa iyong asawa. Okay, TL?
Okay. For the 11th question, this is a difficult question. So, it's worth 5 points. So, ito yung question. Anong lahi o tribo ng Adamya ang kinabibilangan ni Memphis na ama ni Adamus? Ulitin ko. Anong lahi o tribo ng Adamya ang kinabibilangan ni Memphis na ama ni Adamus? Mahirap talaga siya. Anyways, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pataas lang po ng ating mga... Ay, ano ba yan, Mickey? Wala. Wala. For Joe, Ajanta, for Ram. So, yung right answer is Gunikar. So, need na tama yung spelling, no? It's a K kasi. So, yung Gunikar is Gunikar. So,
I think PL, let's consider the C of J. Kasi
okay, sige.
Baka he only hears that, no? Hindi niya nabasa. So, okay din naman yan. Let's accept that answer.
Okay, sige. DJ, ito yung nakatama. It's Ram. And then si J, si Rob, and then Jules, may answer ka pa?
Gunikar. Tama si Jules.
Okay. Si Jules, si Nel, and then Julito.
Si Jules at si Julito.
Ay, si Jules. Ay, wow, dalawa pala yung ano niya. Dual tayo? Dual camera. So, ayun. Nakakuha naman, DJ.
Yes. May multiple angle kasi yan. Jules.
Oo. Magsiset up sana ako dito din para ano ko. Okay, so for the next question, I think it's DJ. No? Tama ba?
Yes. Right. Question number 12. Okay. This one is average, worth 3 points. So the question is, sa Encantadia 2016, ano ang ngalan na binigay ni Helgad kay Deshna noong kinupkop at pinalaki niya ito bilang isang nimfa? Ulitin ko, sa Encantadia 2016, ano ang ngalan na binigay ni Helgad kay Deshna noong kinupkop at pinalaki niya ito bilang isang nimfa? Okay. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, I think ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot ay sila Jay, Jules, Rob. Dahil pwedeng pa-move konti. Medyo zoomed in siya. So, ayan, tama. Luna. Ayan, so ang tamang sagot ay Luna. Ang mga nakuha ng tamang sagot ay sila Jay, Rob, Jules, and Mel.
Pero actually si Mickey tama siya. Anak nga talaga ni Janice yung gumanap doon. Pero may name naman siya, Luna.
That is question number 12. Do you want to hear the standing, guys? Okay.
Yes!
Oh.
Yes, I want to hear.
At the top of the score is Rob with 33 points.
Wow.
Followed by Nell with 32 points. Followed
dikit-dikit
by, dikit na dikit. Followed by Ram with 28 points. And followed by Jay with 27 points.
Sige, kaya pa yan.
Okay, so medyo mababa na yung iba, no? Huwag na muna natin i-mention. Habol tayo, Joe, Shai, Jules. Si Jules kasi na late eh. Aji and Mickey. Mickey, lagot ka sa asawa mo dyan. Hindi mo ginagalingan. Pero joke lang. Let's see from Facebook Live, no? Okay, sa mga nagko-comment ng sagot, bawal daw coaching. Ayan. Thank you, Burger Pang A, for reminding that. Evo Live from Christian Joy Mauricio. Evo Live, Christian, thank you for watching. Okay, this is question number 13. Napakadali. Very easy. For 2 points. Anong kaharian ang matatagpuan sa silangan ng mapa ng Encantadia? Anong kaharian ang matatagpuan sa silangan ng mapa ng Encantadia? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Raise your answers. The correct answer is Virreo, ang kaharian ng mga diwata. For those who didn't get, nagbaba agad ng sagot si Jay. Jay, bakit Sapiro ang nilagay mo dyan? Oh wait, let's get the scores. Dij, it's Mickey, Ram, Aji, Shai, Rob, Jules, and Nell. Parehong Sapiro si Joe at si Jay. Baka Sapir yan siguro itong si Jay. O baka nalito kayo dun sa direction na silangan. So, refresher. Silangan sa Lireo, kabaliktaran niya Hasoria sa Kanluran.
Taas yung Sapiro.
Oo. Sa Hilaga ang Sapiro, kabaliktaran na yung Adamya sa Timog Avenue Station. Okay. You get that, Dij?
Yes. Got that.
Okay. So, yeah, I wanna hear naman from bitin yung ginto kanina ni Jules, no? Let's hear from Jules ang kaniyang Encantadia anecdote or story that he wants to share with us. Paano ka naging Encantadic, Jules? Ilang taon ka nun? Or, anything that you want to share. Anong favorite episode mo? Ayun.
Yes, Avisala everybody. Thank you very much. My name is Jules from galing po ako sa Adamya. Joke lang. Sa Timog po. Okay, sa Timog. So I am here in Mindanao, Cagayan de Rosary, the place where Cindy Obiñeta lives. The first time where I was really an avid viewer of Encantadia was when I was in college, because in our subject, especially sa English, we have this literary criticism. In literary criticism, there is what we call feminist criticism, where women are given women are seen to be powerful. Women have the power, no, to rule the world or a kingdom. So when I tried to watch again Encantadia, I was able to understand that Encantadia is a women empowerment, because all of those who were handling kasi Brillantes are most of the time mga babae sila. At the same time, sila po yung mga tinatawag nating mga sangre. So these sangre are symbolizing the women right now, which is they are really giving power, for women. That women are not only for household chores, women are not powerless, but women have the power. Also in consonance to what had happened during doon sa pagkamatay ni Amihan, tapos naging reyna na si Danaya sa 2016 po na Encantadia. I was really intrigued when Ibrahim asked Perena na hindi ba maaaring maghawak ng mga brilyante ang mga lalaki when Pau was determined to be the first tagapangalaga. Di ba? Nakita niyo ba yon? So, yes. Ibrahim asked Perena na hindi ba maaari ang mga lalaki humawak ng mga brilyante o mga ngalaga ng mga brilyante. So from there, it was also a point of view where Perena really expressed, no, na ang mga puputulin ba ang nakasanayan na mga sangre lamang na mga babae ang nagmamana sa mga brilyante. So from there, I used that one in my great books or world literature na subject ko ngayon in a university to expound the concept of women empowerment. No, so everybody can hold the power, but in this community where women are seen to be lesser, para yung Encantadia nagbibigay po ng buhay para sa mga babae na women can do something what men can do. Yun lang po. So I was really intrigued, no? Ito po yung example na binibigay ko when I tried to discuss about women empowerment. Yung sangre po talaga. Salamat po.
Thank you, Jules. I was mesmerized by how you delivered that. You were mentioning about Perena kanina. Perena was maybe considered a little bit racist, na hindi niya gustong tanggapin na mayroong lalaking mga ngalaga ng brilyante. Tapos hindi rin siya, at first ayaw niya na may ibang lahi na maliban sa mga diwata o sa mga sangre ng mga ngalaga ng mga brilyante, no? Si Deshna at si Ariana hindi ito mga diwata, but they were chosen by the brilyantes of hangin at apoy.
Apoy at hangin.
Kasi nag-alala siya for Mira and Lyra na bakit hindi pa ito napipili itong mga anak ko at pamangkin ko, pero itong dalawang kakaibang lahi na ito napili na, It was the height of Perena's character development then na yon, ayaw niya, but later on natanggap din niya. And ang highlight nun, nag-asawa siya ng hindi dugong bughaw. Nag-asawa siya ng isang Punjabwe na napakalayo ng paniniwala ng culture from the diwatas. I think excited tayong malaman kung may pagka-racist pa rin ba si Perena in Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. Aalamin natin yan. But back to TL na.
For a viewpoint ng isang babae na nanonood for hindi pa naman ako teenager noon, I think. Parang hindi pa naman ako teenager noong 2005. Pero there's a certain level. Kasi as a person na yun nga, kid during mid-2000s, and kapag babae ka, mayroong expectations ang society. Actually, until now naman, there's certain level of expectation kung ano dapat ang isang babae sa isang society. So, for me, watching Encantadia in 2005 is quite an eye-opener kasi talaga siya. As in, kasi 'di ba parang sinasabi ang babae needs to be saved by a man. Pero kung makikita mo yung mismong way ng Encantadia, hindi nila kailangan ng lalaki para ma-save. Kaya nilang dalhin yung sarili nila. At the same time, yung leaders ng Lareo were women. So, yan, as a babae during nung 2005, parang, pwede pala yun. Pwede palang mangyari na, pwede palang mamuno ang isang babae, pwedeng makipaglaban, pwedeng humawak ng armas, pwedeng maging matalino, pwedeng umangat 'Di ba? So, parang empowering siya sa isang batang babae na katulad ko na napapanood yon. Kasi parang for the longest time, nanonood ako na, ay, yung babae kailangang i-save. Yung babae hanggang dito na lang, ang babae ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, parang ang saya na makakita ng bagong potahe na hindi nakakahon ang isang kababaihan. And it's quite, kumbaga parang new yun na para sa kasi iba na talaga ngayon 'di ba? Marami nang naging opening the doors with women. Pero syempre nung mga panahon na yon, maganda na may napapanood kang ganun. Kasi actually nung that time 2005 if I'm not mistaken, sunod-sunod yon, Darna, Encantadia, tapos yung dulo was Janggyum, Jewel in the Palace. So parang puro babae yung makikita ko na parang ay okay pala to, ganyan pala, ano pala. Kumbaga parang magkakaroon ka ng direksyon na parang mangarap ng mas malaki kaysa sa iniisip ng mga tao na eto ko lang dapat. So yun. So nakaka-happy siya na yun yung napapanood mo nung bata ka pa. So ayun. Ang ganda lang ng GMA lineup nung time na yun. So ayun. Yun lang, share ko lang.
Super. Thank you, TL, for that speech. No? Ito talaga ang aming sugo para sa women empowerment. Encantadia saga. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question, which is the question of TL herself. No?
Oo. Nakalimutan ko na nga ito eh. Fairness. Okay, itong next question is an average question. So, it were 3 points. So, ito. Sinong karakter ang nagmamay-ari ng sandatang nangangalang kamao ni Emre? Sinong karakter ang nagmamay-ari ng sandata na nangangalang kamao ni Emre? So, 5, 4,
Favorite natin to, TL.
2, 1. So, pataas na po ang ating mga... Oh! Okay. For Joe, wala akong sagot. So, I think si Jules tsaka si Rob, si Mickey. Sorry. So, tatlo DJ. Si Mickey, si Jules, and si Rob ang right answer. For me ba?
Yes, for the next question, it's DJ. We are at question number
15.
15. Yeah. 5 more questions.
Okay, that's 5 questions. This one is difficult. So 5 points for ito. So the question is, ang kabilan ay sandatang pagmamay-ari ni Cassiopeia. Sa Encantadia 2016, na ipakitang kaya nitong magpait ng wangis sa ilang uri ng sandata. I'll repeat that. Ang kabilan ay sandatang pagmamay-ari ni Cassiopeia. Sa Encantadia 2016, na ipakitang kaya nitong magpait ng wangis sa ilang uri ng sandata. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I think ang may tamang sagot, ang tamang sagot ay 3.
3 versions yung, di ba, yung mahaba, the spear, the sword, and the one na boomerang like,
Yep.
I want to read something from the Facebook Live. From Dave Josh, Pataktakan, Avisala. Dave, hello po, share ko lang po. I was curious sa Encantadia nung ipalalabas siya nung 2016. Tapos nung nag-start na, sinubaybayan ko na. I have been a fan of Encantadia since 2016 version aired, then watched the 2005 version. Palagi kong inaabangan yon, tapos inulit-ulit pa sa phone habang nag-aaral noong college. Evo Live, Dave, thank you for sharing that story. So mas nauna siyang naging fan ng 2016 kaysa 2005. Si DJ ay mas fan ng 2016 version than 2005. Di ba, DJ?
Yes, that's right. Kasi mas fresh sa memory ko yung 2016 version. So, ayun.
But you also watched 2005, no?
Yes, as in way back when bata pa ako. Which is why hindi ko siya maalala. So, wala kang siya ng connection na sa version na yun. Although, super fan ako ng Mulawin. So, parang, ano siya parang it's a complicated relationship. Parang I still go back to 2005 version. Kasi there are still moments there na parang sobrang ganda rin. Na parang I would say that I like better than the 2016 version. So, pero 2016 kasi yung parang naging reason bakit ako naging fan ng Encantadia. So, that's why I'm biased sa 2016 version.
Yes. Thank you, Dij. Another comment from the Facebook Live. Puro Encantadia 2016 dito? Question mark. Hindi po. Nakapagtanong po kami ng mga Encantadia 2005 related questions kanina. Like, the Batis ng Katotohanan, the Amaro question. Nagtanong po kami. So, it's every... nilibot naman namin ang version. Wala lang Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. Kasi sinabi mo rin dito, Ray, kailan kaya pag-usapan dito yung 2025? So parang you're meaning to say na yung Encantadia Chronicles Sangre, no? Hindi pwede kasi we have no knowledge, no, about that show. Just kidding, pero hindi pwedeng pag-usapan. Kasi spoilers yun. If you watch the Sunday Live nung nakaraan, iwas na iwas, ibinibining Suzette Doctolero to answer spoilerish questions. Let's proceed to question number 17, yung sa iyo muna. Hanapin ko lang yun.
Okay. Sige. So for the question 17, yung 16K GS. So hanapin niya lang. So ito average siya. So worth 3 points. Madali lang to, promise. Ito, ano ang tawag sa enchant or enchanta sa kakayahan maglaho ng mga sangre? So, ano yung tawag sa kakayahang maglaho ng mga sangre? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pataas na lang po. So, the correct answer is evictus. Yung spelling, GS, ano?
Yung spelling, it has 2 alternative spellings. Okay. We are gonna accept. The correct answer is evictus. It's either starting with I or an E. Okay, so count those TL and Dij. Go on.
Okay, so yung correct answer is si Joe, si Ram, si Jules, si Jay, si Aji, si Rob, and si Nel. Ulitin ko si Joe, si Ram, si Jules, si Jay, si Aji, si Rob, and si Nel.
Okay, got it. So this is question number 18. Tama ba? Ayan. Easy lang ito, 2 points. I think core memory ito sa a lot of fans. Hindi ako nagkakamali. So,
ako pag to, hindi nyo nasagot. Magtatampo ako.
Okay, ito na. So, listen carefully. Anong mga kataga ang tinuro ni Lyra kay Danaya sa maling kahulugan at kay Akil sa tamang kahulugan? Dahilan upang lalong maging tila aso't pusa ang dalawa.
May magre-react na yan, ha?
Ayan. Ito, ulitin natin. Anong mga kataga ang tinuro ni Lyra kay Danaya sa maling kahulugan at kay Akil sa tamang kahulugan? Dahilan upang lalong maging aso't pusa ang dalawa. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show your answers. Ayan.
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Ayan, I think, mahusay. Lahat tayo
Oo.
tama. Everyone
Paano-
got the correct answer. I love
Paano
you.
sinabi yan?
I love you ka.
I love you.
I love you ka talaga. Ayan. So everyone had the correct answer. So good job.
Yay.
Ayan. So let's go to question number 16. I'm gonna share screen. Sabi ni Evades, kung ang katumbas ng tubig ay umaagos, ang sa hangin ay malaya, ang sa apoy ay umaalab, ano naman ang sa lupa? Sabi ni Lira, kasoy. Pero mali yan. Sumagot si Wahid. Ang sinabi ni Wahid, nakalimutan ko pero mali. Sumagot ulit si Lira, nilalang. Pero mali pa rin. So ang tanong, ano ang tamang kasagutan sa bugtong na iyan ni Evades? Ano ang tamang kasagutan sa bugtong ni Evades? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, raise your answers. Right now, please. Rob? The correct answer is buhay.
Wow.
Okay. Jay got the points. Aji, Mickey, Ram, Rob, and Jules. Si Nel, ang sagot niya ay yumayanig. Medyo related, Nel, pero ang tamang answer dito ay buhay. Galing ng mga nakahula ng tamang sagot na yan. Nakita niyo ba yung yung post kanina at sabi niyo, naisip niyo agad na buhay yung sagot dyan sa tanong na yan. That's Encantadia 2005. O sa naghahanap kanina ng Encantadia 2005 questions, ayan po. Kasama
Sana
po yan.
kilala nila si Evades.
Oo nga. Kilala niyo po ba si Evades? Naginampan ni Mr. Chingoy Alonso.
Parang wala siya sa 2016. Tama ba?
Meron siyang...
Ay, meron nga. Bandang dulo na pala.
Played siya by a theater actor ata. Yung mukhang sibuyas na siya na na nagbabantay sa puno ng buhay. This is the final question, which is a special question worth 6 points. Anong taon na-establish o naitatag ang aming grupo na Encantadia Saga? Anong taon na-establish ang Encantadia Saga? Kami. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please raise your answers. Please raise your answers.
Parang tanda naman ni GS. Nasa 2010.
Please, Rob, you're not raising your answer, Rob. Please. Rob, I'm sorry, Rob, we're not going to count that na. Sorry. It's too late, Rob. I'm so sorry. Okay. The correct answer is... Actually, there are 2 answers naman dyan na talagang pwede. But it's 2014 or 2015. But it's 2014. If you look at our backgrounds, it says there, established 2014. For those who got 2014, itaas nyo lang ang inyong answers, please. Dij, it's Joe, Ram, Nell. Only 3 of them got the correct answers. If you answered 2015, pwede namin consider yon. Our Facebook page was created in 2014, but it had a rebirth in 2015 kung saan pinangalanan talaga namin siyang Encantadia Saga. OMG, magte 10 years na tayo. Guys, no?
Ayun lang.
meron tayong isa rito or depende kung ilan yung nakaangat, no? Makakasama natin siya sa celebration na yon. Okay, let me look the tally, no? Tallied naman na ba to, Dij?
Yes po, by our PTI representative.
Okay. supervised
All good.
by PTI representative. Okay, sabi ni, ano yun ni Peach. Here are the scores. So the highest score that a participant can possibly achieve or get is 71 points.
Kapag lahat siya tama. 71.
Yes. Sayang kung may nag-ash na mash na last na dyan kanina. For Joe, it's 16 points. For Shira, it's 18 points. For Mickey, lagot ka Mickey, sa wife mo dyan, 22 points. For Aji, it's 31 points. For Jules, si Jules na late na makapagsagot, it's 35 points.
Not bad.
And here are highest scorers. I think more than half ang na-score nila. At 4th place, palakpakan naman dyan para kay Jay Kudal. Yes, Jay, you got 42 points. Not bad. Paano natin to sasabihin? At second and third spot, mayroon po tayong tie at 48 points. That is Rob and Nell. Congratulations, guys. You both got 48 points. Yes. And of course, congratulations, Pasarte, to the highest scorer of this Encantadia 19th Anniversary Quiz Bee, Ram. Congratulations, Ram. You got
Congratulations.
50, you got
Congratulations.
Yes. Any message, Ram? Congratulations, Ram, no? So, any message sa lahat na you are the one who rose to the top of the Quiz B, and you have the chance to become a part of Encantadia Saga team, of the Encantadia Saga team. Message naman dyan, Ram. Anong naging technique mo for this Quiz B? Meron ba?
Ay, wala naman po. Salamat po. Siguro yung lang is core memories. Kumapit tayo sa core memories ng kabataan natin. Kaya parang medyo nakaka-refresh din. And siguro din yung panonood ko ulit nung pandemic, nung lockdown, nung parang that's since available na siya sa YouTube. Nasarap balikan nung ating younger days.
Abisala Eshmaram, and congratulations, Evo Live. Stay with us before we officially end, no? Ram, dito ka lang muna. Officially end the Quiz Bee proper and this Zoom meeting. TL, any final message for this event? The second part of the celebration of NCAS 19 years.
Yay! Yun lang yung reaction. Ayun, thank you very much for all the people who participated the Quiz Bee, and of course the people who are watching right now, diba? Hi Facebook. Then antibayanan lang siguro yung it's committed na yung month long pa natin. Parang committed naman na. We wanted it to be a month-long celebration with working out on some, guest, we think. Ewan ko kay Greg kung working out na, pero hindi namin yung pinapromise. Pero meron kaming mga ini-invite. Sana dasalan natin yung mga ini-invite for the next two weeks, tama, for the next 2 weeks, kasi
Ayun. Basta nakaka-excite for yung mga pwede pang mangyari. So, continue to support Enka, 'di ba? Kasi yun yung community na nagbigay sa atin ng, I think, safe space, 'di ba? So, yun, Sangre will be nandiyan na siya, on the road na siya. So, abangan natin yung for the next few weeks, and of course yung Sangre. So, ayun po.
Yes, tama. Abangan po natin ang Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. I would like to personally invite you guys, no, kayong mga nandito sa Zoom at sa mga nakikinig ngayon at makakapanood ng recording nito, na panoorin niyo po ang Encantadia Chronicles Sangre, dahil unang-una bahagi po ako ng creative team ng Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. I've been working with the team na for over a year na, as part of being a brainstormer and a lore consultant. Yeah, thank you for being here, no? Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, for staying with us until the final minutes, no? And nasan na kaya yung 30 plus na nag-register? Ayan, dinaig kayo ni Ram for being here at ng 8 other participants na nandito.
Ayun. Thank you so much again. Congratulations again kay Ram for garnering highest points. And then, siguro everybody that joined, thank you as well. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, your anecdotes, and for, sharing some of your knowledge as well. For everyone watching sa Facebook Live, stay tuned for whatever next is gonna happen. That's probably, magkakaroon kami ng announcement probably around weekend then. So, let's keep in touch. Always keep up on us. So, ayun lang po. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary to Encantadia again, and Hasna Ivoleve Encantadia. Thank you.
Hasna Ivoleve Encantadia. And before you go, guys, let's take a screenshot of this event. Okay? Okay, guys, okay lang ba? Okay lang yan kasi naka-record to eh. In 1, 2 click, guys, I'm gonna take 2 screenshots, okay? Walang pipikit, and give your best smile. In 1, 2 click, 1, 2. Okay, got it. Isa pa po. Another uncle if you want. In 1, 2 click. 1, 2. Got it. Salamat, guys. Thank you, Jay, Aji, Nikki, Joe, Jules, Ram, Rob, Nel, Shai. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pag-participate sa Queen Bee na ito. Bye-bye, guys. Good night. Abisala Eshma. Abisala Maiste. Ram, stay with us. And bye Facebook Live.